Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel UBS credit card. To cancel your UBS credit card, first of all, you'll need to go ahead and open a web browser and type in ubs.com and search. Once you get to the official website for UBS, go ahead and click on the contact button at the top right hand corner. Click on the Contact Us Global Directory option and then select one of the options from the top of the screen. Now elaborate your location. Simply choose your location and expand it by clicking it on, and you will get to this request form where you'll need to go ahead and select to inquiry and type in your information in the text box. Select what you can get help with from the first option, and in the text boxes, go ahead and mention that you would like to cancel your credit card. After you enter it, you'll need to go ahead and enter more details of yourself, such as your email, telephone number, country, and finally, after filling in all of the credentials, click on Dispatch. Now, once you make this request, you will be contacted from the UBS support team, and then they will tell you how you can easily cancel your credit card. So that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.